Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I am Shekhar Gupta at Bobby's Mehboob Studio, and my guest this week, well, in a year that's been rather indifferent for women stars in Indian cinema, the one who has stood out, Kareena Kapoor.
Hello.
Wonderful to have you on Walk the Talk.
Thank
Superstar.
you. Thank you so much.
Everything you touch comes to gold.
No, not really. Not really, but yes, it has been great this year.
It has been great this year.
Yes.
But you know, what stands out when you look at your last few? Everybody has a favorite.
I think it would be what you told me when we were off the show. I think Omkara. I think that's my favorite film.
And why is Omkara so special?
I don't know. I think I'm partial towards Vishal Bhardwaj. I think he's one of the finest filmmakers we have in the country. Besides which, I think he's real, he's commercial, he's got, I think, everything that it takes. And Omkara was truly, truly special and one of the best roles that I think any actress could ask for.
Difficult?
For me, yes.
Why?
I think it was very subtle, very subdued, a lot of inner pain to be portrayed, which I think is a little more difficult.
And tough to be a good girl and yet be so madly in love with a really bad guy.
That's true, yes.
Tell me some of the tougher moments during that film.
Yeah, I think of course, you know, like you said, performing, being a good girl, and also falling in love, knowing the kind of business the man that you're in love with is doing, a little older than you, all that was tough. And also I think the whole UP accent, the whole atmosphere, I think people associate me a little bit with more upmarket kind of thing, but if you go to see Omkara, it was very earthy, very Bihari sort
of. Not so much Bihari as, you know, a certain part of UP.
Yeah.
But you know, since you say very earthy, remember that one expression that I think Konkona used to describe you, "Kauwe ke muh mein barfi."
Yeah, that's true. She was also lovely in the movie. She is lovely.
So tell me, while doing that role, something that challenged you, some scene, some moment.
I think the fact that when the last scene when Ajay doubts her and kind of, you know, goes for the kill, and when she's totally shocked, I think that formed the climax of the movie. I think that was very interesting to do, and one of the major reasons why I thought that it would be challenging for me to, you know, do this movie.
But did you handle it?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think.
What were the comparisons at that time between your role in Omkara and say Tabu's in Maqbool, which was another Vishal film, part of his Shakespeare?
I think it was completely different. You know, Tabu's was a little negative kind. Dolly, which was in Omkara, was very, very positive.
Tabu was a bad girl too.
Yeah, so this was it was very different. But Vishal sketches all his characters, I mean, unbelievably.
What else besides Omkara?
I think Jab We Met, which was just really exciting because it was one of the biggest successes of the year. And I don't know, just I think everybody's made it special for me, that's all.
And Jab We Met, I think you spoke the ultimate truth, that you are your favorite person. I think every human being knows that, but nobody wants to say it.
I know, I think but it was really exciting to do also, and I think a great role, very honest, very real, the kind of difficulty to do. I think, you know, being emotional in scenes is easy. But being yourself and to constantly keep talking and being exuberant.
I was being emotional easy. I thought that was the toughest part.
No, at least not for me.
Everybody says the toughest thing is emoting. You know, I don't like the expression.
I think emoting is feeling. It's what you feel, and so it's easy to feel that. But I think, like Geet, she was just so talkative. She was just so vulnerable at the same time. You know, exuberant. Yeah, I think that's a little difficult. Yeah, but it is difficult to do that.
Is it so?
Yeah, I feel that.
People say that after Preeti Zinta, you are the bubbliest female star in the cinema.
I don't know.
In Jab We Met, you were allowed to be yourself.
Yeah, maybe parts of it, me, you know, were like Geet, you know, a little more exuberant, fun-loving, you know, kind of impulsive, volatile, speaking her mind, a little bit like me. Yeah, maybe, but it was tough.
Were there moments when you thought that you were not really acting, you were just being yourself?
I I like to do that with every role. I like to put a bit of me in whatever I do because it's important that I do that. Audiences need to connect.
So,
And to make it real, I need to put
if I
myself.
make you think, where do you put a bit of yourself in Omkara?
The passion with which she loved, which she trusted, which she just blindly sacrificed everything for the love. I think the intensity of the love, I think I am like that. I'm passionate about whatever I do. I'm intense about whatever I do in whatever step I take professionally, personally. So Dolly was also a bit like me.
And go back to one of your first, not the first, but one of your first, Ashoka. Tell us a bit about that.
I think that was a film that of course I worked with Shah
I'm
Rukh.
carefully choosing the ones that I've seen, but these are also your best.
Yeah, Ashoka was lovely. I got to do action sequences in the climax of the movie, which was
Difficult to
interesting.
see how you could, with your frame, how you could pick
I
those
know,
things.
pick the
and
sword
made
and-
of cardboard.
No, they were real swords. We had to do it with real, and I took training for it, and but it was interesting. So the first time I did action was in Ashoka, so I'm happy that you like that.
I happened to go to this little place on the outskirts of Bhubaneswar. There the Battle of Kalinga is supposed to have been fought, and there's a little memorial and some Ashokan edicts. And the first thought that came into my mind when I went there, because there are no other visual images, was Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor having a little...
Yeah, that's true. But it was
But the
beautifully
film was
shot.
very off history. I mean,
Probably.
apples in stainless steel trays and all. We were very advanced in 300 whatever BC, but
Not so advanced.
not so advanced.
Yeah, probably. But still, for me, it's a very special movie. I got to work with Shah Rukh.
Right. And you worked with him again once after that.
Yeah, in K3G, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
With as sister-in-law?
Yeah, sister-in-law. Not as a lover till now.
Not as a sister, is it?
Yeah, not even as a sister.
Well, Shah Rukh Khan was, Ashoka was lover.
Yeah, but not after that.